If you're looking for a quick guide on how to manage deals in Folk CRM, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into how Folk CRM makes it easy to track, organize, and manage deals. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking for tips to optimize your workflow, stick around until the end because I'll also show you how you can access this software completely free with exclusive bonuses just for watching this video. First things first, Folk CRM is a versatile tool designed to keep your business organized and help you manage your deals more effectively. Unlike other CRM systems that can feel a bit complicated, Folk CRM has a clean, user-friendly interface. It's intuitive and can be set up quickly, so you can focus on what matters: building relationships and closing deals. To start managing deals in Folk CRM, the first step is adding them to the system. You can create a deal by simply adding the details like the deal name, associated contact, value, stage, and expected closing date. Folk CRM allows you to customize these fields based on your business needs, so you can track exactly what's most important to you. One of the standout features in Folk CRM is its deal pipeline. Once you have your deals set up, you can move them through various stages, whether it's prospecting, negotiation, or close it one, with just a few clicks. This lets you keep track of where each deal stands, so you never miss a follow-up and always know which deals need your attention. You can also filter by deal stages or even set up automatic reminders to ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Managing your deals in Folk CRM becomes even more powerful when you integrate it with your calendar and email. You can set reminders for important milestones and receive notifications about upcoming tasks, ensuring you never forget a meeting or a follow-up. The integration with your email means you can track communications, making it easy to see what's been said about each deal without having to search through multiple platforms. And if you're managing multiple deals at once, Folk CRM allows you to prioritize based on deal size, close dates, or other metrics that are important to you. This helps you focus your efforts where they're most needed and ensure that high-value deals don't get lost in the shuffle. Another great feature is the ability to collaborate with your team. Folk CRM allows you to share deals, assign tasks, and see who's working on what. This is especially useful if you have a sales team and want to keep everyone aligned on the same goals. You can leave comments, add notes, and make sure that all relevant details are available to anyone who needs them. Now, for those of you looking to get started with Folk CRM, I have a special treat. You can sign up and use the software for free through the first link below. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses. This will help you maximize the software's potential without having to make an immediate investment. As we wrap up, remember that Folk CRM is all about making your life easier and helping you stay on top of your deals. It's designed to be simple but powerful, offering a customizable experience that scales with your needs. From tracking deals in your pipeline to automating reminders and collaborating with your team, Folk CRM keeps everything in one place. Don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial and bonuses. If you're ready to streamline your deal management process, Folk CRM is a great tool to consider. And just to remind you, the exclusive extended free trial is waiting for you in the description below. Take advantage of it and start managing your deals like a pro today.